Hey, what's up everybody? Rick here, and we got another unboxing here. Excited for this one, but before we get into it, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. Everything in this video will be linked down below. There's affiliate links down there. Totally up to you if you use them or not, but I do recommend or suggest if you're looking to purchase something, use somebody's link, right? It helps the knife community out, the creators out, and greatly appreciated. That's my spiel on that. Anyway, let's get into it. What's in the box? Well, in this case, it's the package then in the box. I've never ordered from them, so I'm pretty excited to check this out. Of course, got the nice Spyderco, what's that? Smudge. Squirrel. Man. Spyderco Manix 2. Got the lightweight in the Magna Cut. AWT scales. And of course I got a lynch clip. Into this. I'm doing an early morning video. Usually I'm making it at night, but I wanted to carry this one. And I was gonna do the there we go. Yeah, I was gonna do the video last night, but worked a very long shift, and then I forgot I had to go people and hang out with people. So I didn't get the video. So here we are early in the morning, drinking my coffee, waking up. We got Kaviso QSP. Never ordered from them. I've seen them on YouTube quite a bit from other creators. Been wanting to check out this for a while. We got, there we go. The Penguin Plus. All right. An S35VN. Yeah, I got the Penguin. I love the Penguin. I've never experienced the Plus. And ooh, look at that. This is fancy. What is that? All right, this is fancy. Ooh, we got QSP Penguin, or not Penguin. We got a wolf with a knife. That makes no sense. I think I've said that before. There we go. There's the Penguin sticker. We got the little card. Yeah, here we go. What is this? Like a felt? Fancy. Set that aside for a second. Throw that in there. All right, what do we have here? Ooh, I already like the size. So we got the QSP Penguin Plus, Kaviso exclusive. This one's in the smooth titanium. Got a mercantile clip, which is, ooh, that's nice looking. I don't know if I gotta get more. Oh, there we go. There we go. Gotta change my light a little bit. That's nice. Anodized purple hardware. Got the flipper. All right, let's get in close here. Doesn't look like there's a rough spot on this thing. That's seductive. All right. Ooh, what do I try first? Do I do thumb? Do a flipper? I've never flipped a penguin. Let's do that. It works. Works well. Where's that action at? All right, all right. Ooh, it's got a strong detent. Try that again. Yeah. Oh, it pops. Yeah. The detent is stronger than I thought it would. Oh, they're numbered? Ooh, I like it. Ah, I like that size too. Large glove hand, just a normal hand. Wow, yeah. This is gonna be a quicker video. I think my unboxings, I'm gonna try to make a little speedier so it doesn't seem like it's a full review. The review will come down the road once I get a chance to carry it a bit. But I feel like some of the stuff I do is redundant. The opening and then the review. So I'm just kind of trying I'm gonna cut out some of the size comparison stuff, but in this case we got to do a size comparison against the original sized QSP. So we're looking at quite a bit difference. Quite a big difference. Where's Stanley? There's Stanley. Like almost just over a hair over 7-inch knife versus just under 8. 7 3/4, almost a little over. It's quite a big difference. That's the Blade HQ exclusive and S90V. My opinion, the best bang for your buck when it comes to S90V right there, boom. And of course you got the OG brass. Love the Penguin. It was probably my biggest, I know it's been out for a bit, but biggest surprise of this year. I got this one earlier in the year and I love it. I love the Penguin. I love everything about it. The design, the blade. I knew I was going to get a fancier one. I figured it might as well be the Plus. That's a knife. We got some nice jimping up there. Got nice jimping on the flipper. Nice access to the lock. Nice action. Strong detent. Yeah. I like it. Like I said, full review will come down the road once I get a chance to carry it. Please leave a comment down below. Tell me your experiences on the Penguin Plus. I'd love to hear it. Please follow me over at Rick's Knives on Instagram. And hope everyone has a great day. Till next time.